Addressing the interactive dialogue on arbitrary detention and counter-terrorism at the 22nd session of the UNHRC in Geneva yesterday, Deputy Solicitor General Buwane Kaluvihara emphasized that the tolerance of terrorist front organizations in foreign countries could lead to the rejuvenation of terrorism in countries which have effectively eradicated terrorism.
As a country that has suffered immensely under the scourge of terrorism for over 3 decades, Sri Lanka unequivocally condemns terrorism in all its forms and manifestations. Sri Lanka notes that the Special Rapporteur has recognized some of the gravest violations of human rights are committed by or on behalf of non-state actors operating in conflict situations, including by domestic or international terrorist networks. Sri Lanka is aware of the many-faceted dangers of these international networks operating in foreign jurisdictions, including in the form of front organizations, while continuing to receive overt and tacit support from host societies. This tolerance and accommodation could lead to resurfacing and rejuvenation of terrorism, which has been effectively suppressed in countries that have suffered from it.
Meanwhile, the Deputy Sri Lankan Permanent Representative to the UN in Geneva, Manisha Gunasekara, says that Sri Lanka acknowledges the important role played by the civil society in the promotion and protection of human rights. She made this statement during the interactive dialogue with the Special Rapporteurs on torture and on human rights defenders held yesterday.
Sri Lanka acknowledges the important role played by civil society in the promotion and protection of human rights and condemns acts of intimidation or reprisal alleged to have been committed against such individuals or groups. Sri Lanka also welcomes the observations by some delegations recorded in the summary of the Council panel discussion on the issue of intimidation or reprisal against individuals and groups who cooperate or have cooperated with the UN, that facts relating to alleged acts of reprisal and intimidation be established on the basis of objective and reliable information from credible sources that have been duly cross-checked to the greatest extent possible, and information be gathered from multiple sources to avoid a unilateral approach.